Hey, what's going on, wealth builders? I can tell you right now, I am excited because I am launching a new series on Point Blank Finance. This is the first episode, the inaugural episode of Crypto to Watch. And all I'm going to do is I'm not going to get technical. I'm not going to be showing a bunch of charts and stuff people can't understand. I'm just going to break down crypto coins that you and I should be watching to maximize and build our wealth by investing on a budget. Now, in the inaugural episode, we are going to be taking a look at Loopring, cryptocurrency ticker symbol LRC. And I can tell you right now, this coin has been in the news. It's been on website after website. It's been in YouTube videos. And we're going to take a deeper dive and to see, is this a coin that you should have in your wallet? Is it a coin that I should add more position into? We're going to find out in a minute. Hey, welcome to Point Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about saving. We talk about investing on a budget and everything personal finance. If there's something you're interested in, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. It helps it get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms, please. Also, make sure you do me a favor because I will be using Coinbase and Coinbase Pro in this video. Check out my link down in the description for Coinbase and you can earn some free Bitcoin. Also, make sure you check out my links in the description for Celsius, Voyager, and BLOCKFI. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. All right, here we are on Coinbase. Now, I am logged into my Coinbase account, but I'm actually going to be making the purchases from Coinbase Pro because it has a smaller fee when you buy and sell crypto. But what I want to do before I even make a purchase is I want to look at Loopring again. Loopring, ticker symbol LRC, and just see what it's been doing in the last month, the last week, the last year. And I can tell you right now, when I first looked at this, it was trading at $2.82 today. It was actually down, but just because your boy is ready to make a purchase, it seems to be going up. So I'm going to go over this pretty quickly, and I want to go over a few details. Again, I'm not trying to get too technical. I don't want to go over everyone's head. I just want to show you how easy it is to continue to build wealth and purchase crypto on a budget, baby. So let's jump right down into it. Today, it is trading right now at $2.97 per coin, up 3.95%. Now today, roughly around $4.55, it went down to $2.61. But your boy wasn't near a camera. I wasn't in my studio. I couldn't record. I could have made the purchase, but I'm doing this for the people, baby. I'm always doing it for the people. Anyway, so in the last week, and this is really what made me focus on Loopring or LRC, it's up 133.4% in the last week. And I got to watch it because it's continuing to go up $2.98. In the last month, it's up 669.79%. And in the last year, it is up 1,568.37%. So exactly what is Loopring? I'm going to read you the technical definition. Again, I don't care about all that. All I care about is it making money or not? But I'm going to go down here, and there's going to be a couple things I'm going to go over. But Loopring is an Ethereum token that describes itself as an open-sourced, audited, and non-custodial exchange protocol. It aims to allow anyone to build non-custodial order-book-based exchanges on Ethereum by leveraging zero-knowledge proofs. Okay, sounds good to me, but I want to go up here and look at one other thing. Two other things, actually. The trading activity 46% people are buying the crypto. 54% people are selling it, which probably caused the dip that I saw today. And it's the 32nd most popular cryptocurrency on Coinbase. But over the past year, Loopring is up 1,546%. The market is up 493%. That's almost 4 times your money, definitely 3 times the money. So, man, I don't care what people are doing right now. They're selling according to this, but with me watching this go up, they let me know people are starting to buy because they're buying at the dip. So what I'm going to do right now is go over to my Coinbase Pro account. I have $25 to invest. In my Coinbase Pro account, I have 12 Loopring coins already. So what I'm going to do real quick, it's already set to buy. It's already set to market. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to put 25. I'm going to put the entire whopping $25 because your boy and we are investing on a budget. I'm going to go down here. It's going to be a fee of 13 cents, giving me roughly 8 Loopring coins. Place to buy order. Success. It's done. That simple. That simple. Now, what I am going to do is jump back over here to Loopring because I want to show y'all real quick. I already have Loopring coins in my portfolio. It's taking a minute to load everything up. And maybe I need to refresh real quick. There it is. Right when I did it, of course, it's going to load everything up. Scroll down real quick. Go to Loopring. I currently have 19.91 Loopring coins in my Coinbase account. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to be transferring from my Coinbase Pro account to my Coinbase account. It typically takes 4 to 7 days. Whenever it gives me the alert that I'm ready to do it, and I'm going to house it or I'm going to keep it on Coinbase. I rarely keep stuff on Coinbase Pro. I move it over to Coinbase and I let it sit there, and sometimes I'll move it to other crypto wallets. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Do me a favor. Tell me, what do you think about the Loopring coin? Is this an investment you've heard about? Is it an investment or a cryptocurrency you never heard about, but now you're going to take a look at it? I love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. As always, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. You never know who could be looking for information like this, who wants to learn about crypto, who don't know about it. Share the channel with your family and friends. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I'll be coming at you soon, dropping even more knowledge. And until the next time, hope everyone's having a great weekend. Hope you're having a great day. Peace, baby.